What is up, everybody? We are back with another music video makeup Monday. If you clicked on this video, you already know today we are going to be doing Lana Del Rey's iconic Born to Die music video makeup look. In this particular music video, she has quite a few different looks that I would like to try and recreate again in the future. But for the meantime, we're just going to be doing her iconic look where she's wearing this like white strappy dress, has the blue flower crown, and has just her beautiful golden locks going on. This is going to be more of a cookie cutter, basic, showing you how to do the makeup kind of vibe as opposed to a more informational video like my usual ones are. I'd like to really do the album cover and then go on a deep dive on the actual album itself. So, hope you guys enjoy. Sorry to take up your time. Let's get started. So the first step for this look that we are going to do is going to be our eyes. Go ahead and use any primer that you choose to use for your eyelids that works best for you. I'm going to be using my NYX Professionals Eyeshadow Base Primer. Pretty inexpensive, works pretty well, no complaints. And just go ahead and apply that all over your eyelid. Simple as that. So the next step is going to be making sure that we have an even tone to start off with on our eyelid. I'm going to be using the KKW Classics, the Classics one. I'll link it down below. That is the only palette that we're going to be using today. Our eyes are very, very simple, so you shouldn't need more than just this palette or a palette that has similar colors. We're going to go in with the color Gemini and apply that all over the eyelid. Once we've added an even tone on our eyelids, then we're going to jump in with this color right here, named Florence, and add that into the creases of our eyelids. Next, we're going to go in with the color Family and do the exact same thing. Next, we're going to go back in with Gemini just to lighten up our lower part of our lid. Sometimes when you are blending, you kind of blend a little bit too much, so you do get a little bit of the lower part of your lid when maybe you're not intending to. So we're just going to use this color to brighten it out once more. Use that same color on the upper brow bone as well to give it a little bit more of a pop. Perfect. The next step is going to be the eyeliner process. Basically just looking at her, she has an iconic winged out look, so that is what we are going to be doing today. I'm going to be using the Colourpop liquid eyeliner in the color black. Perfect. Next step is going to be jumping onto our face. I am going to be using my usual foundation, but you go ahead and jump in whatever foundation works best for you. So let me go ahead and put that on real quick. After you finish putting all of your foundation on your face, then it's time for highlight and contour. Today I'm going to be using my good old faithful highlight and contour stick that I use for basically all my videos, but soon I will be needing to replace. And go ahead and highlight underneath your eyes, highlight down your nose, do a little bit on the forehead and a little bit here on the chin. Feel free, go through and blend that out. After you've blended it all out, now let's go ahead and do the contour and basically do the main key points of contour. We're gonna do up here, bring it all the way around, same on the other side. And then from there I will do my nose as well, and my chin as well. Don't ask me why I do my chin, it's a choice. Yeah. Once you complete the highlight and blending of your cream contour, don't forget to set everything in place. Today I'm going to be using my RCMA translucent powder to just make sure everything sticks to where I want it to stick. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm gonna go in with this color right here in the corner and just going to add that to my cheeks, like so. Now it's time to wrap up those eyes. We're gonna add just a little bit of color on the under part of our eyes. We're gonna go back in with this brown color that we used in the very beginning and dab your brush really ever so slightly into it. and drag it underneath your eyelid. Next, it is a personal choice. If you do want to use fake eyelashes, go for it. You guys already know with me, I'm not going anywhere, so why would I put on fake eyelashes? Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume and go ahead and fluff out these eyelashes. And with eyebrows, right? Go ahead, do your regular eyebrow routine that you would usually do. For me, I just leave mine be because they're pretty thick already. Just saying. And last but not least, we're gonna go in and do our lipstick. Well, I was gonna use Rebel until I put it on and I said, oh my goodness, this is pink. So we're gonna go in, since that's a little bit more pink than we need, and we're gonna go with the Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K red lipstick instead. Oh yeah. Perfect, darling. And now the last step is going to be putting on our wig and our flower crown to finish off this entire look. I will be right back. All right, my friends, and this is the final look. I got this wig from Bella Me. I used this in my Mariah Carey video as well because it basically fits the tone of hair that she has in the video. The curls are a little bit different. I don't know how to do it like that, so we just have this to do with it. And then we have the flower crown. Hers is a little bit bigger, so feel free, you can always get like 2 of these, or if you want, add more pieces, but I just got a single strand from Amazon and it looks pretty decent. I feel like I could wear this to a party if parties were a thing. But yeah, this is the look that we have for today. This is our Lana Del Rey Born to Die music video makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you guys would like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to hit that like button to let me know that you of course like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can see new videos from me every single Monday. Thank you guys so much again, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!